Hey everyone, so today I have two boxes in front of me and I don't know what one I'm going to open yet. So I got my Birchbox and my Play by Sephora, I can never get that right, today in the mail. And I posted on my Instagram story a poll asking what one I should open, so I'm going to check right now. Last time I checked it was a close call. Let's see. Oh, so right now, see, this is my poll. You can see my cats in the background. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. I love doing polls. My link is in the bio below like usual. Oops, it just disappeared. So right now it's 43% for Birchbox and 57% for Play by Sephora. So I'm gonna open up the Sephora box first. So it hasn't been too much time for everyone to answer, but there were some votes, so I'm just gonna go with this. Maybe I'll film both today and check again in the morning and post whatever one wins, but okay, let's see if I can get this baby open. I haven't watched any videos of this box yet, but based on the thumbnails and the titles, it looks like it is a good month. A lot of people are happy. So this is what it looks like when you open it. And if you don't know, Play by Sephora is obviously a beauty box by Sephora. It's $10 per month, and it's pretty awesome. I've only subscribed for a few months now, maybe 4. And I really like it. I don't know what took me so long to subscribe. It's affordable, $10, and it's always full of good sample size items. So it's in like a little plastic bag like this. Oh, it looks like it's resealable. That's cool. But this is what it looks like. And there's also a pamphlet, and there you get 50 insider points to shop in store or online. There's that. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. It shows all the products you get and then talks a little bit about them. Ooh. And then on the back here, let's see what it says Trend Report, September 2018, Next Gen Beauty. This season's most buzzed about beauty puts a focus on innovation. Talks about going green, the hybrids, tech that protects, and green upgrades. I'm not gonna read it all to you. You know, I always mess up my words when I try and read things to you, plus it'll just, you know. Isn't it cute though? Bright and colorful. And then I'll keep this out so I can refer to it. It doesn't have any pricing for the full-size items, but I'll list them below if you guys want to check them out or learn more or buy the products, whatever. You do what you want with it, but I'll leave the links below. And it does look like it's a good month. So there are 6 items. I think that's usually what there is. So again, here's the bag, and it says on the back, opens bag, pours out samples, high five self, hashtag Sephora Play. So I'm just gonna toss this over here so I have some room on my little table. I'm just gonna dump it out. I like that it's a resealable bag. I never used the bags from the previous months. Have you guys? Let me know what you do with it. I think I've asked you that before. And I'm just gonna start with the first thing I see. And I almost got this on the Ulta sale. Well, I didn't, I like marked it down as something I was interested in. I'm trying not to spend money right now, and plus I have so many primers, but this is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. And I've heard really good things about this. Is it focusing? There you go. So I've heard really good things. I seriously have so many primers, like I said, so I don't need to buy stuff that I already have. I'm trying to do like a low buy or no buy. And I get so many things in my subscription boxes. I'm already starting a pile for my next giveaway. If you don't know, I hit a big giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, and I'm gonna do it again when I hit 1,000. So whatever I have in my giveaway box at that point, then that'll be what's in the giveaway. So it says, this is a replenishing primer that hydrates skin and creates a perfect canvas for makeup. Why it's trending. Beauty hangovers are no match for this revolutionary primer that's infused with coconut water and other energizing ingredients. Skin looks refreshed, dewy, and makeup ready. I'm really excited to try this. So primers you don't need too much of, like maybe a dime size amount. So I think this will last enough for me to get a good opinion on it. So I'm excited to try that. And I see something that I love. Look how cute this little baby water cream is. I love this cream. I'm super excited to get it again. I've used it before and I highly recommend it. This is by Sunday Riley. It's the Tidal water cream or something. Let's see. Yeah, Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. It is so good, you guys. I love this stuff. And I think it smells kind of good too. Well, it barely has a scent, but it's so good. It says it's an advanced water cream that brightens, hydrates, and plumps skin. This moisturizer hydrates skin using 2 types of hyaluronic acid plus tamarind extract. I don't know what that is, but it sounds fancy. Papaya enzyme smooth and exfoliate, while alpha-arbutin visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots. Awesome. I seriously had this size before and a bigger size, maybe full size. Yeah, I had full size. I got it like in a past box of Style or something like that. So I have used this for a good amount. Like I had the full size version, I went through it, and I would buy this if I was in the market for a moisturizer. I'm so excited about this. This box already is a winner for me. Okay, next thing I see is by Peter Thomas Roth. This is a Hungarian thermal water mineral rich atomic heat mask. This is a cool package. Isn't that cool? It's like blue and green, the packaging. I like it. This is a powerful heat mask that uses Hungarian thermal water to nurture skin. Okay, maybe this will be good in the fall, but I am freaking hot all the time on my face right now. I don't want heat. Like, it was seriously, it said when I checked the weather today, 103 degrees it said it feels like here. It's almost like October. I'm so freaking sick of being hot. I know I'm in Florida and soon I'm gonna be bragging about like the weather here, but I am sweating, especially with these lights on me. Oof. Soon, I swear, I'll stop complaining about sweating, and hopefully it's not as visible soon. But yeah, so this sounds cool. But yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit. Or maybe at nighttime it'll be good. I bet that does feel nice. I haven't used a heating mask in a while. And they have good masks. I've heard only good things about Peter Thomas Roth masks. I've tried the cucumber one before. I still have that. And I know there's some other good ones that people really like. But moving on, this is a perfume sample. It looks like this is by Victor and Rolf. Let me open this, see if it's full. I could use some perfume right now, but it's sweating all day. Okay, so it's not all the way full, if you can tell there. So this is an explosive scent combined with a delicate floral bouquet with smoky metallic notes for a more sensual interpretation of the original fragrance. So let's see. I like that a lot. Oh my gosh. That's so good. So, since I am not an expert at describing fragrances, it says it's in the fragrance family, warm and spicy. Top notes, osmanthus. Maybe that's a flower. Orange blossom. Middle notes. Oh, who knew there were so many notes? So the top notes are osmanthus and orange blossom. Middle notes, tonka bean liqueur. Base notes, gunpowder accord. That's exactly what I was thinking. Okay, but moving on. God, I'm sweating. I need to just like carry a towel around with me like Shane Dawson does. Maybe I'll just... tissue. Oh god, I probably wiped my lipstick. Okay, but this is Sephora mascara. And this is the Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara in black. Okay, I was actually just thinking about this today. I think I was in the shower. That's like when I do my best thinking. But I was like, I have so many mascaras. And I said, if I get any new ones, I'm going to put them in my giveaway. So this is an exclusive by Sephora. I bet it's awesome. I really want to try it and open it and show you guys what it looks like. But one of you is going to get this. So this is going to the giveaway pile. And let me tell you a little bit about it first before I throw it in the stash. So full volume mascara with a buildable formula that coats lashes in intense black color. It creates bold, thick lashes with maximum definition thanks to nurturing jojoba oil, which prevents clumps, smudges, and flakes. So yeah, my giveaway is in one of those drawers. So yeah, I'm really proud of myself right now. But ooh, the last thing, okay, this is like the best box. Okay, the last thing is nude sticks. I really like these. I have one already. I should make sure I don't have this color. I have it in my bathroom downstairs. I keep lip products in like all my bathrooms all around so I can just like swipe it on really quick if I have to. But this is a dual purpose matte color pencil in a rosy hue that works for lips and cheeks. And this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna open it right now and swatch it just because if I do have this color, which I know I have a color similar, but if I do have this color, which is Kiss, I'm gonna put this in the giveaway pile and I don't want to waste it or anything like that. So that is why I'm not swatching it or opening up the plastic, because I don't want you guys to think I tried things and then sent them to you, whatever. But this is, fits perfectly into the hybrid beauty trend. It can be used as a lipstick, lip liner, or blush. I honestly never use these as blushes. I do have a few of them. I'm sure they work maybe if you're in a hurry or something like that. I guess I'm more into powder products, but I do really like them on the lips. I can't speak for the cheeks. And it says it lasts up to 6 hours without ever feathering or drying out. So, and this is a good size too to know if you like it. Like, I never finish lip products, so this is perfect. So, yeah, that was a great box, right? I'm glad you guys picked this one. Thank you. Well, I would have opened it eventually anyways, but I really am excited about the primer. I love this cream. Like, I love nude sticks, so the perfume smells great, like gunpowder accord. I can, I don't know. And this mask, I love the packaging. I bet it works great. I'll let you guys know. And then the mascara, which one of you guys are getting, like, so $10. I mean, that was really exciting to open. I really like it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys get this? I think there's some variations, so let me know what you got down in the comments below. Anyways, I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.